Hi guys, it's Elizabeth and I am going to do some things because I can't really think of some other things. Oh yeah, happy Mother's Day to all of you lovely mothers around there. And it is a kind of late notice. Wait, no. It was only like 3 days ago. So it's not that long. So this is one thing I got for my mom, but it was like too much for her, and she was like, do you want it? I was like, yes please. And it's this sequence book. It's so pretty, and I wrote my name on it, but it's gone now. Alright, and that is a part of the Mother's Day. I got a Paris mug, but I don't have it right here. Sorry guys, I have really terrible lighting. It's like horrible. And yeah, this is my outfit for the day. I really like it. It's very cool. And I got it for like only $10, and that's pretty good. I don't know. Oh yeah, hold on. Hey! It is a panda head. I can see. Oh, that's so good. So I'm just gonna put you guys here. Oh, let me just put this back on where it was. Guys, comment down below what this is of. I'm not gonna tell you. It's pretty obvious. So then is that. Oh, guys, I wanted to show you something. You guys probably already know this, but wheeled shoes, and look. Guys, comment down below what one do you like the best? Blue, red, green, or multicolored? I think my favorite is probably green because I love green. And my second is blue, and then red, and then multicolored. Guys, comment down below. I also have it on this shoe as well. Wait. There. So I'm gonna put these back where they were. Guys, I'll show you how much I love pandas. And you guys are probably wondering, why do you have this in your room? Because it smells amazing. I got both of this. I got both of these because my brother didn't really want it. I was like, okay, I'll take it. I was very happy because extra smell, extra goodness. I'm gonna do a cup of tea routine to make it. Guys, I'm making a video.
What video?
YouTube video.
What for?
I don't know, for fun.
You sort of have to take the mask off.
So you guys can't do. You guys can't be loud. I'm gonna have to lean you against our Weet-Bix. Guys are wondering what Weet-Bix is. But they're Weet-Bix bites. So we're gonna have this. And this. So that happens to me. There's like this noise that's like, and it's still on. So ow.
And they glitch in my body.
that, but
Oh, the same question I have.
oh, we have to put the kettle on.
How do you get that? Pretty hard.
Yeah.
I need to go on YouTube.
Guys, I'm gonna go check if we have any milk because sometimes we lose milk. Alright, guys, this is good enough. Might not be hot enough, but that's okay. Sorry, I'm a little cut out. I'm a tall. Not really. Like here. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna get this Lipton ice bag in.
Is it working? Yeah, it's just like, do you know
Making a video. Ow, it splashed. Don't do that. It hurts. Now, you need to throw this in the bin.
And then create
What you doing?
Doing
Look,
a cup of tea tutorial. Alright, so now you need some milk. Ouch. Now I'm sorry about my brothers in the background.
Yeah.
They're playing a game. And they're picking cars. It's a little weird. Wait, let me just check how much there is. So now taste on camera. Good, but it's a little cold. So I'm gonna add some more hot water. There needs to be more hot because that's what a cup of tea is. So
Yes, it looks like a full police squad.
better, but it's kind of plain. So
I want to make this look so cool.
I'm gonna get some sugar. It's probably not a good idea this late night, but let's do it. I'm so excited, guys. I'm gonna use a chopstick to mix all the sugar so it absorbs in the cup of tea. So I'm just gonna grab some sugar. And remember, don't grab that much because it's a late night. I'm not meant to be having sugar, but you know, I just felt like it. That one was a very small one. So now we're gonna mix. Come on, please be okay, please be okay. Needs more sugar. Guys, don't worry. That's not going to be that much. I'm just going to... Oh, that's a big blob of sugar. Actually, I brought the whole thing in. Guys, I'm not a master at this, so don't judge me, please. Right. Now too sugary. I think I added a lot of sugar. Alright, I'm just gonna drag that over there. Yum. Now I'm going to pop my lid on from the screen. It's so good. Alright. Sorry guys, I just took a photo. So, this is the finishing result. Guys probably can't see that, but I will take the lid off. So, this is the finishing result. I'm gonna try and blow. Kind of looks like milk, but it's actually a cup of tea. So, perfect. So guys, we're gonna have to end it here. So if you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below what Fortnite dance you like the best. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Oh, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down below what Fortnite dance is your favorite. So, goodbye.